So, when are you coming?
I've got the house done now. Just gonna load up the dishwasher with her yogurt and cups.
You haven't even left yet?
No.
Mom.
Takes a while.
Good morning, Fry guys. So, I just spent some time with the puppies this morning. I did do some cleaning, but that will be in a cleaning video on my other channel. I am going to also clean all the rugs in the house. I mean, the small rugs, and probably rearrange them a little bit because I'm just getting tired of what it looks like. And I'm gonna move some around and just kind of do some new different things. Guys, I'm tired, but I didn't sleep very good last night. I kept, like, my back kept hurting, and so I had a hard time like staying asleep. What in the world? Anyway, there was a shadow like on my face and I couldn't tell where it was coming from. But I am just really tired. I've been sleeping better for the past couple of weeks. The first, like, before that I was having a hard time sleeping, and I don't really know why. I'm not like massively big pregnant yet, but I'm getting there. She's definitely growing. I actually so far haven't gained any weight. I did lose about 10 pounds before I went to the doctor, and it was like the first few weeks of pregnancy, so I lost a bunch of weight. I actually didn't have that much morning sickness, but my problem right now is that I don't eat very much. I'm not like, usually by this point people are like scarfing down everything that they can, but I'm just eating meals. And I'm like, sometimes at night if I'm watching TV, like after dinner, I will get a snack, but very rarely do I snack, and unless I'm nauseous. And then, but yeah, I will be 18 weeks tomorrow, and I haven't gained any weight yet. So I mean, technically kind of halfway there. Her due date is in it's October 4th, but we are going to have her at least a week early, if not earlier than that. I go to the specialist on Wednesday, and I am going to see what they think about it. I don't really know how that's going to work, but I'm sure they're going to want to take her a little bit earlier than a week because of how fast my preeclampsia came on with Journey. But anyway, and then after we go to that appointment, I will announce her name, which I'm really excited for you guys to hear, but it's very unique. So definitely, yeah, I'm excited for some opinions, definitely. But anyway, Sean had to work today. His car wouldn't start this morning, unfortunately, so he had to take my van, and so now I just have to wait for Mom to bring Journey here. And my parents are going to be working in the backyard, which is where their new house is being built. And yeah, that's about it for this morning. We spent a lot of times with our puppies last night because it made us feel better. It's definitely easier to come home to having puppies than if you had to do what we did last night and not have puppies. But anyway, we really had a hard time with that last night, but we're just happy to be home. And it literally took almost like 2 hours. We didn't get dinner till 8 o'clock, and we got there at 6. And most of the time we were just waiting. We weren't even with Buford that much, and it was a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. Okay, so I just cleaned out Sean's car. Well, kind of. I was like 3/4 of the way done. He calls and says, I canceled the tow truck. Go ahead. Just don't worry about it and I'll do it when I get home. And I'm like, well, I'm almost done. But it does have a lot of compartments I don't even know about because I don't drive his car. I don't think I've ever driven his car. It was actually my brother's car before it was his car. And anyway, I may have driven it once or so, but no, not that I remember actually. But we're gonna tow it to the place, to like a place to get it fixed. And anyway, we're gonna get him a new car because he needs something that is reliable and something that can get him to work and home. That's about it. We have my van for family function, like family things, and we know that my van is very reliable, and so. But I'm in the house again. I have all the puppies. There's Winchester. He's hot. He's been eating Sky's food, and his belly is massive. So we don't know how to like. No, Sky. No, Sky, no. You okay, bud? Huh. I'm gonna clean that up. Oh gosh, guys. That was gross. I'm very like nauseous and anyway, I'm gonna start washing some rugs. Okay, so I only buy rugs that like I can wash, which actually is not very many, but I just buy them cheap, and then if I can't wash them, then I wash them anyway, and then if they're ruined, and I'll just buy another one. But with having dogs in the house, you just have to be able to wash your rugs. But Mom and Journey should be here any minute. Mom said 9 and it just struck 9 on the clock, so hopefully soon. And they're bringing breakfast, so yay for breakfast. Look at his belly. Big, big belly. Okay, guys. So we took a nap, did a virtual baby shower, or not baby, bridal shower, and now I'm gonna go meet Sean because we are going to buy a truck. We're pretty excited. His car, like I told you guys earlier, has just kind of crapped out, and so we're going to get a truck. He's wanted one for a really long time, and yeah, so anyway, we're gonna do that, and I will see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so we're back home. You want to give your final thoughts on your trek?
It's awesome.
And we're eating. We got Sonic for dinner. We're gonna eat and then watch RuPaul and stuff. So here we go.